Okay, you're treating a cough due to a cold. What do you have to know?
What kind of cough?
Say dry hacking.
Dextromethorphan.
Plain language, please.
Cough suppressant.
And for chest congestion?
An expectorant.
Spell it out for us, doctor.
To loosen the phlegm?
Suppressant, expectorant, decongestant. Alone or in combination. Conclusions.
Sounds like the Benylin formulations to me.
Now that's what patients understand.
Now, Benylin's new, thicker, richer formula gently soothes your irritated throat while it effectively calms your cough.